I got some free grapes there.
Yup.
I don't see no grapes.
Yeah, they're
Probably still growing.
No, they're probably rotten.
Oh yeah, because it's coming in the wintertime.
Yeah. The grass is still green. It still has some grapes because the grass is still green.
Yeah, because it's raining.
Okay, this is taking like.
Oh!
That scared me.
What's that? What is that?
Dang, what is that?
What is that?
Oh, those are eyeballs.
Ew.
There's more.
What is that?
Oh, mate, that don't look good, mate.
No.
Boy, mate. Boy, mate, those are owls. Those are owls.
Oh yeah.
Scary owls.
Yeah, they're supposed to scare the away the bird.
Oh,
That's how you. No, that's how you keep away the crows. That's how you keep away the birds. You can race.
Oh.
Who steal that from the road? They stole that from the road. That's not okay.
I want to race. Blindy. I never done that.
You can do it well. I don't know. I want to climb up that.
Oh.
I would not.
Rapunzel, let down your hair.
Rapunzel let down